Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Soundboard on Roblox voice chat. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and download voice mod. Okay, open up your favorite browser, just find a voice mod, just like so. Hit on enter. Now click on the first link right here, which is from voicemod.net. Click on it, wait for it to load, and just click on download for free. Now, if this is your first time, it's going to ask you to sign up. Okay, so go ahead and sign up. If not, just log in if you already have an account. So save it wherever you want. And once the download process is done, go ahead and install it. Just click on the installer, click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. You can now then go ahead and close the browser. And then just click on OK right here. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, click on next. I accept, next, 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 and install. All right. So let's just wait for the process to finish right here. As you can see here, it's pretty quick. Now, all you got to do next is just click on finish right here and to keep this ticked. Okay. So it will automatically launch voice mod. And if you want to, you could delete the installer and just leave the shortcut. Okay. Now, as you can see here, the app is ready. You just click on get started and it will need you to verify. Okay. Make sure again that you already have your account. So just wait for it to load. And once it loads, just click on next. Got to find your microphone. Okay, select it, next, and start using voice mod. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just go ahead over to Soundboards or sounds right here. It's up to you, okay? So basically how it works, whenever you play some sounds, okay, under the sound tab, it will just automatically use your microphone to play that sound, okay? Let's say we have here soundboards. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add in my own soundboard. Just click on add right here and then upload. Now I'm going to go ahead over to my folders, maybe this Riz sound effect. And then I'm going to go ahead and bind it to maybe add a key bind. Okay, Control plus Alt plus 1. All right, so let's go ahead and hop in to a Roblox game. All right, let's say I'm going to go ahead and play Mic Up right here. Now, what we're going to do next is just basically go ahead over to Roblox right here, or Roblox menu, go to settings, and then find input device, change it to voice mod, okay? Make sure that microphone voice mod is selected, all right? Now, go ahead and click on resume, unmute yourself, and then you can go ahead and talk if you want to, all right? And just basically press the specific keybind, Control plus Alt plus 1. Well, it's screenshot. Make sure that it doesn't bind any keys from Roblox, okay? That is how you use a soundboard on Roblox. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.